Are you near Los Angeles or Miami and passionate about spirituality and subtle energy? Then you can't miss this upcoming event. Nanci Trivellato is coming to the USA for an unmissable workshop. Nanci Trivellato is a founding member of the International Academy of Consciousness. Her extensive experience includes training and guiding individuals worldwide, both in groups and one-on-one sessions. She is the author of Vibrational State and Energy Resonance, Self-Tuning to a Higher Level of Consciousness, and Astral Projection, a Primer, Introduction to the Out-of-Body Experience. She is bringing all her expertise to teach you strategies and techniques derived from over 30 years of researching consciousness, subtle energy, and paranormal phenomena. Join us for this special and intimate workshop focused on advancing your energetic awareness, balancing and unblocking your chakras, cleansing your aura, and equipping you with the tools to master your energy body.
Please make sure you save your space as soon as possible. We have very few spaces because I want to give you proper attention. I'm going to do a proper energy reading and cleansing of each person present.
On Saturday, June 8th in Los Angeles, or in Miami on Saturday, June 22nd, 2024. This workshop is more than just an event. It's an opportunity to connect deeply with like-minded individuals and enhance your spiritual journey. Learn about your unique energy characteristics and gain valuable insights. We can't wait to see you there and embark on this journey together.
I hope you can join me in this truly potential transformative experience, and I will look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.